Hi Crypto Kings and Queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natoshi. So today we're going to talk about what's going to happen with BTC now when it's Monday tomorrow. I also want to show you the trade that I showed you a couple of days ago when it comes to BTC. We dropped down precisely to my take profit level down at 33,380, and exactly as I also expected was that the market pushed up and we are testing the resistance right now. We're also going to get into Ethereum, what we potentially can expect this week, and we're also going into NASDAQ. So make sure also to follow me on my Twitter account. This was where I did told you guys about the trade on BTC, that the market we had two retests of 34,255, and then we did reach my take profit level. So on my Twitter account, this is where I give you a lot of updates when I'm not live or when I don't have these daily updates. So I'm trading both NASDAQ and BTC, and I want to do that on the same platform. So I'm trading on ProsperityFX, which you also can do if you're using the link in the description down below the video. Also have it pinned up here. The good thing with Prosperity is that they have a very tight spread. Another thing that they do offer, they make sure that you can get funded and keep 80% of the profit share, and this is amazing because anyone that is a little bit undisciplined can become very disciplined when it comes to the funded, because now you have to follow certain rules for you to not lose the account. So I think this is a really good way for us to be able to have more discipline when we're looking at the charts, even if you should do that obviously on your own account, but it's a learning process and it takes some time for certain people. So that is a perfect way for you to be able to be a little bit better on the charts. But going to BTC, we saw how the market, as I said, retested 34,255 precisely. So we were basically never in drawdown when it comes to this. What's happening right now on BTC, we try to break above this level. So we want to see if the market on the lower time frames at 34,435, if this is going to be the exact same thing that we've seen before, if the market is going to try to break this level or drop below for another drop down to the support once again. But looking at the higher time frames perspective, let us just look at the weekly. So we have a pretty massive weekly candlestick. So of course, if the next week's gonna give us a pullback and definitely drop down to the support once again, I do expect the market to give us some higher target once again. But usually what's happening, as I say all the time when we are inside a Fibonacci level, is that we see the market reversing. But I strongly believe that we will have a break above 35,800, and everything depends on how the market's gonna react to those levels, because Fibonacci levels are extremely strong, which means that we can have a push up to this level only to have a pullback. So I do expect the market to be a little bit choppy, go sideways for a while now, because we did have this big candlestick inside of the fib, and inside of the fib we see the market usually going sideways. So I can expect the market to be really choppy around these levels. Now, if you have never used ProsperityFX, if this is the first time that you do that, I have a really good tutorial for you to be able to look at, so you see exactly on how you are transferring your money. You can actually transfer everything in crypto. So this is a great tutorial where I just break down exactly on how you're using the platform for yourself, and you're trading on MetaTrader 4. And if you've never used MetaTrader 4, I also have a really good tutorial for you to look at on also how you're connecting Prosperity to MetaTrader 4. So you have the link up here for the tutorial, so make sure to look at it. As I said, when it comes to the funded accounts, it is really good for us to be able to be more disciplined when it comes to the charts. Going to Ethereum, we have the exact same thing. We can see how the market is going in a sideways market. We are almost testing the highs. One thing that we have this resistance at 1,790. We also have this other high where I did have the resistance at 1,807. So I would rather have the market either dropping down exactly to the support or to the resistance, and then see how the market is reacting to it. If we are breaking above 1,807, 8,105, I'm looking looking at the resistance at 1,840, and from here we want to see, will the market break above the level for that continuation up, or as I said on BTC, are we gonna continue to go sideways? And this is why you should be on my live streams also, because it is easier for me to show you exactly, precisely what's gonna happen. And I have live streams from Monday to Friday, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for you to be able to be notified when I am live. Going to NASDAQ right now, NASDAQ is still at the support level that we spoke about before. So we did retest 14,190, and this was exactly, as I said, what I expected us to do. We are also retesting this support level. We saw the market giving us a fake out. So now obviously the market is closed. It's going to open up during Monday. So I just really, for when it comes to NASDAQ, also, I just want the market to break the sideways market, because as you can see, it's really choppy when it comes to this. And you know, I don't like to trade when it's this super choppy. I rather want the market either to break below the support or break above the resistance. So you know, for me now, it's just obviously waiting for the market to open and see exactly what levels the market is retesting, etc. But make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live tomorrow, when I do have these daily up streams during Monday to Friday. Sometimes I go in and do some scalping on NASDAQ too. Remember to look at ProsperityFX tutorial. You have it at the end of this video for you to be able to see exactly how you open up a account. Also remember guys, I am no financial advisor. You obviously need to look up everything yourself first. I do this for educational purposes only, but I do share some really good setups when it comes to the charts. Have a fantastic day. Bye.